creepy crafty cuties, and welcome back. Today I have another super cute project share for you guys. So as I've been telling you guys, I have done 3 Halloween swaps this year. Of course, by the time I show this to you, they will be well on their way and in the mail, but I still definitely wanted to give you guys a peek at them. So this year I ended up using the Doodlebug collection to create my Happy Mail, and I am super happy with the way it turned out. So drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this project share. So first we are going to start with these mini loaded altered bags, and I am so happy with the way they turned out. I think they are so super cute. Hopefully they are standing out okay against the background, and I will try and give you guys a good view of them. So I have done up 3 of them. They are all pretty much the same, but they are all quite unique at the same time. So I will just really quickly take you through them and what's the same about them and what's different. So basically each one has one of these awesome candy corn picks from Michaels. I love these things so much. Honestly, I wish I had bought like 20 of them. And if I get back to Michaels before Halloween, I will definitely be seeing if there's any left. However, I highly doubt it. But you know what? If you're near a Michaels or planning on going, I definitely recommend that you look for those because they are so super cute. So anyway, each one has one of those picks. I also used some of this stuff from Michaels, the crinkled paper. They have it there in big bags. There's a couple different color selections to choose from, and this one comes with all the Halloween colors mixed in. It is just perfect. Each bag also contains a whole bunch of stickers from Michaels, from scrapbook.com, and even a couple awesome scores from Dollarama. Yeah, you guys, I got these Inkadinkadoo stamps at Dollarama for $1.50. Oh, what the hey. Okay, so then to decorate them, all I basically used on each one is a doily with one of the little characters from the Doodlebug ephemera pack, and they are so cute. So this one is going to my friend Amanda, and that's why I put the A. That A is actually one of the thickers that I just hauled from the expo, and I will definitely be sharing those with you guys sometime this week. I also die cut a tag to match each package. The only big difference between the 3 is that for these 2, I used a doily in the background, but this froggy was green, so I couldn't use a green doily behind him, right? So I used a purple star. And again, I still think it turned out super cute. This tag, I added a little holographic, spider on a web. And again, I think it is super cute. And like I said before, they are just filled with all kinds of stickers and goodies. Each one has like 2 or 3 packs from Michaels and more. So yeah, there is just a whole bunch of goodness in here for my Halloween swap mates. So now we can move on to the flip books, and once again I am super happy with how they turned out. So I used 2 collections, 1 company, to create these flip books, and the 2 collections that I used were the Doodlebug Booville collection and the Doodlebug Pumpkin Party collection, which is the brand new Halloween collection for 2018. So I did use the 12 by 12s and the 6 by 6, both for this collection. I also used some of the cardstock stickers and some of the die cuts from the ephemera pack. Okay, so we are going to start with this one because this is the one that I created first. So this one, I just used one of the cut-aparts for the front. I think it turned out so super cute. I did do some layering with some die cuts that I did cut out with my die cutting machine, and I just love how it turned out. I did use some stickles around there, and it's just so easy to match up everything with the Doodlebug collections. Like, so super easy and so super fun, and just so super stress-free when you're creating with Doodlebug. So here is the front page. I don't think I need to do much explaining. These are some really cute glitter enamel dots that I got at the expo. I went to my first expo a couple weekends ago, so that was a lot of fun. So then we open it, and here is the front page. So I did create this little scene over here, and I think it is super cute. I used this piece of holographic thin washi like to create the web, and these little ghosts are just so kawaii and so adorable. They melt my heart. I love them so much. This is another one of the Doodle Pops from the collection, and I die cut this spider web here out of foam. I did use some other little enamel pieces and some little gems from Michaels. And then you open it up, and all of the magical, creepy, cute goodies are revealed. Actually, Doodlebug is a lot more cute than creepy, but it is still totally Halloween, and I absolutely love it. So over here we have a pocket that I have created, and I absolutely love this little vampire guy so much. So I have just stuffed it with a whole bunch of goodies in here. I've put some stickers in for the recipient. I have put some little die cuts. This one is actually a double-sided one. I love how Doodlebug offers the double-sided die cuts. I've also cut them out a whole bunch of Halloween die cuts for them to use for their Halloween crafting. Of course, you know, they'll only have a week or so to use it for this year, but they will have them for next year too. I also cut them out some tags. As you can see, I love that spider web print right there. It is so cute. And I have actually used it again and again this year for my Halloween crafting. Then we go to this page, and I've just put another pocket right here. It's very simple, but I think it's really cute. And I was doing a bunch of swaps, so I was on kind of a time limit. So again, I just created a little scene, and this little guy is a dimensional doodle pop. He is so adorable, and I just put a bunch of little, I cut these all out. These are all my favorite papers from the Doodlebug Bouville collection. And then I also put in some doilies from the collection. So like I said, she can do her own crafting. And then, of course, there's that little mouse hiding, and I just love the scene. And again, I cut her out some tags, again, in my favorite papers from the collection. So then we move over here, and I'm trying not to get any shadows in the way. So the lighting in my new studio, aka craft room, is being kind of difficult, but we are going to try to work around it. So over here, basically, I have gifted her some washi tape, and I placed it over here. I just made kind of like a little, I don't know what I was doing here, but I made like little stripes with the washi tape. I just thought the little spiders were so adorable, and I really wanted to utilize the washi tape from the collection because it's so cute. So what I did was I used it to attach the baggies, and I think it actually worked out pretty good. And I've just gifted her a whole bunch of random, creepy, cute Halloween die cuts in these little bags. And then when you flip that up, you get this little cutie under here. So that is everything for flipbook number 1. Now we will move on to flipbook number 2, and I am super happy with the way this one turned out. So this one I actually made just recently, so I had kind of more supplies when I made this one. This one I actually made back in August, but I made the cover just about a week ago. So I don't know, I think the cover might be a little bit nicer. I still do really like it though, and I absolutely adore that little ghosty and how the stickles turned out on it too. Okay, so here is flipbook number 2, and I just absolutely love the way it turned out. So I die cut some spider webs, and I put them on the corners, and then I used some lace corner pieces on the other sides. And then I just layered some different cardstock that I die cut. I used these little enamel spiders just to add a little touch of interest, and I think that that worked out so super cute. I ended up throwing in this spider web between these two pieces. I also used a corner punch over here, and I absolutely love it. So I did use some foam and pop it up a bit, these two pieces, and I just think it looks so perfect. So then you open it up, and here is page number 1, or I guess you could call this page number 1, I don't know, page number 1 and 2. Anyway, so here I just created a scene using the die cuts. It says Happy Halloween. So some of them are popped up and some of them aren't. So it adds some different levels of dimension. I also used some of the glitter bling embellishments from Michaels, and they are so pretty. So I just left that kind of simple because there is a lot going on in the background page. Then we have this page over here, and I absolutely love how this pocket right here turned out. As you can see, I just layered one of the cardstock stickers onto a doily, and then here are more of the little ephemera pieces or die cuts, and they are so cute. I love that little candy corn drink, oh my goodness. And so then just like the other flip book, I have just put a whole bunch of my favorite Halloween die cuts and tags and papers in here, and stickers and doilies and cut aparts and just a whole bunch of Halloween goodness. There is even a haunted house. And then we open it up. So this page here, which originally was supposed to look completely different, but sometimes our mistakes turn into great things, don't they? This page actually ended up being one of my favorites. And here what I've done is created some sequence mixes. So these, I guess they kind of double as shaker pockets, but these are actually sequence mixes for her to use. And basically what I did was I used all of the colors that are in the stars on this page right here, and I put them all into a sequence mix. And honestly, I'm not sure how well it's showing up on camera, guys, but I am so in love with it. And when I first started making it, I was like, oh my goodness, how is this gonna turn out? But you guys, it is so cool and cute and just like adorable and matches the collection absolutely perfect. So like I said, those sequins kind of double as shaker pockets and just look really pretty. So then all I did was add some cutouts from the collection. I just like matched them up with the other colors and papers that I was using, and I think they look totally perfect and super cute. Then for the middle page, I am gifting her a little doodle pop. I absolutely love this little kawaii boy dressed up in the little Midnight the cat outfit. It is so cute. And then here is one of the super puffy stickers that I recently hauled from Japan that you guys may or may not have seen yet. And then I just added more cardstock stickers from the collection, more die cuts, and more bling from Michaels. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, and as you can see, I have been crafting. Midnight is actually here with us. Hi Midnight! So anyway, I'm gonna add this clip in because I am super happy with the way this box turned out, so I just really quickly wanted to share it with you guys. So basically what I did was wrap up the flipbook in some coordinating tissue paper. I decorated the box flaps with some coordinating washi. I added some doilies and some stickers. I think they look super cute. I'm actually going to be sticking a bat right there, so I'm glad I made this video, or I might have forgotten. This tag over here I created using my new stitched coffin die, and I absolutely love it so much. I used some of the stickers from my recent Japan sticker haul, and yeah, that's about it. I also cut out some confetti using some coffin dies, some spider dies, and all different Halloween dies, and I am just super happy with how it turned out. So I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. So one more tiny clip, and sorry if there's any noise going on in the background. So here is the final results of my package, and I am super happy with the way it turned out. I decided to go on with a pastel-Halloween or pastel goth theme, and I think it looks so super cute. I just absolutely love everything about the pastel goth aesthetic, like I've said in the past. So the glue is just drying over here, but it will dry clear. Then I'm gonna get the addresses on and get it shipped out, and I am so super happy with how it turned out. Okay, well, that is everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.